Hello everyone, myself Thakkar Mrudit Ajay Kumar studying in FIBCom. Today I am going to present a short presentation on the concept of ecosystem and its type. So now let us start with the definition of ecosystem. The environment and the living world in it have the close relationship with one another. The frame or formation of the living world or organism is called an ecosystem. For example, birds fly in the sky and so the air covered environment is more suitable to them and they pull on or maintain their lives as per the environment of air. It is suitable for the fish and aquatic plants to stay in water and so they maintain their lives on the water. Vegetations maintain their lives on the land and in water. In this way, different living species staying in different environments maintain their lives as per the adjustment to their environment. If there be any drastic change in the environment, then the corresponding living world of the environment will be adversely affected. For example, if the water body becomes dry, then the fish staying in the water will die. If the air becomes polluted, humans will become sick. If there is rainfall, birds will stop flying, etc. Now, if there is any radical change in the environment, then the living species which are accustomed to maintain their lives suitable to that environment will be affected adversely or they may sometimes die also. So now let us study about the types of ecosystem. Mainly there are two types of ecosystem, natural ecosystem and artificial ecosystem. In natural ecosystem, living species perform their activities as per the natural situations. It is further divided into two parts, aquatic ecosystem and terrestrial ecosystem. Artificial ecosystem. Artificial ecosystem is further divided into three subtypes, aquarium ecosystem, agrofarm ecosystem and space ecosystem. So there are two other types of ecosystem also. First, energy based ecosystem and second, volume based ecosystem. So now let us study about the aquatic ecosystem in detail. In the ecosystem of aquatic vegetation, the abiotic components are as follows: water, nutrients, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. In this aquatic ecosystem, the producers can be taken as follows: shrubs with roots floating on water, freely floating small shrubs, and freely floating microshrubs, moss. These components of the producer conserve energy and release oxygen. In this case, small living species, insects, or worms stick to the roots or leaves of the plants. Hence, the primary consumers are the small insects or worms. These insects or worms become food for small fishes, frogs, etc. Hence, these aquatic animals form the second consumer. These small fishes and worms become the food of the big fishes, tortoise, crocodile. Hence, these big fishes, tortoise, crocodile, etc., form the group of third consumer. Some of these living species die and form the rubbish in water. The bacteria and the molds depends on the circus of these organisms in water and produce carbon dioxide which is utilized by moss, and the remaining carbon dioxide mixes with the atmosphere and is utilized for the respiration of fishes. For health nutrients, elements like carbon, phosphorus, and nitrogen can be obtained in very little proportion, and hence the production of moss remains limited. And from this, an equilibrium is established in the ecosystem, and some chemical elements can also be obtained. So, this is as far as ecosystem and its types are concerned. Thank you.